Hello, today I am sharing something in this video that most nail educators would normally cut out. I am Radina Ignatova, a nail professional and educator with over 12 years of experience. During the infill process, while I was debulking filing off the old product, my e-file interacts with my gloves in two different ways. This is a part of real professional salon work, and it is essential to understand why it happens and how to prevent it. Gloves are necessity in our industry. They protect us from repeated dust exposure and different chemicals, gel products, and proper use and correct techniques are what keeps both technicians and clients safe. I am going to play the videos on slow motion so we can analyze them together. Here I am on to the filing process, and my drill bit is going to go near the V area. What is called is near the sidewall, lateral sidewall, and the stress point. So instead of my drill bit being parallel filing, it's slightly sitting straight up, and this is what happens. My drill bit, the belly of the drill bit is catching my glove. I did not injure myself, I did not injure my client, I only had to replace my glove. And in my case, it happened just because I was slightly tired and slightly fatigued. And when you are tired, you lose that micro control that you need when you're working with e-file. And there was another change as well. For the purpose of this specific video, I brought another lamp into my salon that was sitting slightly lower than my usual one. And every time I moved my hand to do my normal e-file movements, it will hit the top of the, it was a half circle lamp, and it would hit the top, and these were the consequences. This is the second one, is very different from the first one. I am moving on to the second hand and I'm removing the same way, but pay attention, the top of the drill bit is, the finger is too close to the drill bit, and what happens now, it wraps around my glove because the glove is slightly loose and it was too close to the finger, and this is a slow motion. I immediately stopped the drill and it let go of my glove because it was just running around the glove. The drill bit was wrapping around the glove because of its material as well. And if you have a foot pedal, in this case, is going to be even quicker response for you. The most important thing that I did next was to stop the machine. So as soon as I felt the resistance, I stopped the machine very quick. You're going to build up your instincts with practice, and do not try to pull the gloves while the machine is still spinning. Full stop first. And I said, if you have a foot pedal, even better, because you can't just stop immediately with your foot. Next are the things that we can do to reduce the risk of this happening. So the first one is wear the correct size gloves. As you saw, mine were just a slightly bigger. So as soon as you see when the gloves is on, you see those wrinkly bits, that means that your glove is slightly bigger and more likely to cut just the way that mine did. Keep your bit parallel, the ones that I showed you. Keep your bit parallel, not upright, when you are working on near those stress zones and the parallel sidewalls. You can also slow down your hand movements, not the machine, not the RPM. You can slow down your hand movements. Just be slightly more careful when you are working onto those bits as well. Make sure that your hand support is correct and it's stable when you're holding the client's hand. Always have one finger leaning onto theirs. You saw me doing that onto the video as well. Have a stable support. Always have one finger slightly leaning onto theirs. And if anything feels off, immediately stop. You're going to build up your responses with practice. First time you might panic, but next time you will know what to do. So always stop the machine if anything feels resistance, or you feel something feeling slightly off. This is a part of real nail education. Small technical details like these are not often talked about, but they really matter for your safety. Precision is not just about the nail, it's about positioning, awareness, and control. If you found this video helpful, I would much appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave comments down into the comment section below. What was your take on this specific video? I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy and the Nail Wiki for free nail education.